The Cook4me is one of my favourite appliances. It's fast, easy to use, comes with loads of recipes, and it's super simple. I'm pretty excited about the new addition to the Cook4me family, the Cook4me Connect. It means that you're connected to even more recipes and you can choose the meal you want on your appliance. So tonight I feel like making a soup, and you can see on the app there are so many different soups. So how about the miso soup? And we can press play. And you can see that the recipe is now being downloaded via Bluetooth to the Cook4me Connect. As you can see, it says put all the ingredients into the bowl. I'm going to lock the Cook4me and let the Cook4me Connect do all the work. The best thing about the Cook4me Connect is it releases the pressure automatically, and you can monitor the cooking process from your smartphone or your tablet from the other room. Okay, it is ready, so let's unlock it. I'll grab a ladle and we'll serve a portion up. A soup done in 2 minutes in the Cook4me Connect. Does it get any better than that? Gotta have a taste. Oh, that's a good soup.